Welcome aboard, everybody. We're here in Punta Gorda. We're going to fly VFR to Tamiami Airport, or Miami Executive as they call it now. It'll always be Tamiami to me. But today's going to be a special flight for you because today, Tim, FlyingSIC, will be doing all the comms.
Punta Gorda Tiger, Destination Tango, time 1353 Zulu. Wind calm, ceiling visibility better than 5005. Temperature 20, 2.18, altimeter 2996. Visual approach, runway 4 in use. Arrivals and departures, runway 4. Notice Airman, Punta Gorda VOR out of service.
Punta Gorda ground, Baron 3175 Whiskey at the 200 hangars with Tango ready to taxi to 4 for a southeast VFR departure.
275 Whiskey, Punta Gorda ground, runway 4, intersection departure at a 15, taxi via Foxtrot, Delta, Charlie to runway 15.
4 via Foxtrot, Delta, Charlie to 1575 Whiskey.
Good stuff. That was well done.
Because I wrote it down.
That's okay, but you're going to get used to it. So we want flight following now. So just to make your life a little more stressful, let's go ahead. I'll handle all the taxiing. So go ahead and call up and ask for flight following.
Ground, Baron 3175 Whiskey. Can I get flight following also, please?
Roger, stand by just a moment. Working on something, I'll get right back to you.
I feel like I have to lean like I'm coming close to the comms. The mics are right here.
Get closer to the mic.
Like, here we go, okay.
Get closer to the mic.
There's 75 Whiskey, Roger. What's your destination?
Destination is Tango Mike Bravo.
For 75 Whiskey, departure frequency today will be 125.15. Squawk squawk is 4571, 4571.
2515 and 4571 for 75 Whiskey. Clicking out.
Yep.
Tower Baron 3175 Whiskey is ready to go at 4 for VFR departure.
Number 3175 Whiskey, Punta Gorda Tower, runway 4, cleared for takeoff on course approved.
Runway 4, clear for takeoff for 75 Whiskey.
All right, we are clear right. Those birds are to the right, not to the left. We are clear left. I did hear some VFR traffic coming in. By the way, you are doing fantastic on the comms.
No, I'm not.
You are. I know you're a little nervous right now, but you are doing fantastic. Doors closed.
Doors closed.
Lights are on. Gauge is in the green. Fuel flow. Airspeed alive. 84 knots. Positive rate. Gear up. That traffic's no factor.
Departure Baron 3175 Whiskey is crossing through 2.8 VFR climbed at 5.5.
Baron 3175 Whiskey, 4 miles departure, radar contact, maintain VFR at or below 5,500 for crossing traffic, king you're at 6,000, you are radar contact.
At or below 5,000 for 75 Whiskey.
5,500.
Oh.
Sorry.
Normal speed 10.
That's trial by fire right there. That is the
Thrown into the soup.
that is the most stressful. Is calling departure right after takeoff.
Southwest 690.
Baron 3175 Whiskey is crossing through 4.8 for 5.5. Oops, Fort Myers approach.
Yep.
3175 Whiskey, 4 miles approach, roger.
When I watch people, they're immediately responding to the controllers, and that's how I feel like I have to be, because you just, when you talk back and forth, you've got
Page field departing Quincy there. They got some
a quick
around
response,
your area,
you're conversing,
2 Golf Mike, roger.
and if I don't respond immediately, I feel like I failed.
1469, so they maintain 2,000.
Yeah, don't, that's self-imposed.
No, absolutely. That's pressure on me, myself.
Heck, I've stumbled saying things. So it's not uncommon.
Like your Mooney tail number?
I didn't request for you to point out my flaws. I'm merely...
But that was such a great one.
Alright, I'm gonna have to cut this video at this point. Your Baron debut is over. Your Baron radio debut is over.
I give up.
No, seriously though, I mean, I've stumbled, everybody stumbles. It's a normal thing. It's not necessarily reflection. And you add the fact that you're learning right now.
At about 5,500.
I firmly believe that if you self-impose a
1469 airport,
high quality of yourself, then you will succeed easier than you would if you just go, oh well, oh well, oh well.
No, you've always got to set higher standards for yourself than other people set for you. I totally agree with that. With that being said, you've also got to understand when you
3,000 now, 6161.
when you're training and when it's okay for you not to be perfect.
Yeah. No, correction, 3175 Whiskey, Miami Center, 132.4.
132.4 from 75 Whiskey.
Post 961, contact the tower, have a good day.
324, enter up. Miami Center, Baron 3175 Whiskey at 5500.
Baron is 3175 Whiskey, Miami Center, roger, maintain VFR, Fort Myers, altimeter to 90905.
90905 for 75 Whiskey. So the good thing about this headrest is it puts the seatbelt right there too, so it gives me just a little bit extra of a headrest. So that when I'm sitting straight up, I have a headrest instead of having to lean my head back.
Yeah, it's a little weird feeling this back here. I keep finding myself going forward.
Pulling forward.
Like, oh, something's touching me.
It's supposed to.
So if you look at the chart on ForeFlight, you can see here that if we continue directly where we're going, we've got to get below 3,000 feet before we cross in here. So what we may end up doing...
November 75 Whiskey, contact Miami approach 128.6.
28.6 for 75 Whiskey. Miami approach, Baron 3175 Whiskey is at 5500 for VFR. I love looking at this. I think it's so cool.
What I think is cool,
November 10 Echo,
like if you look, and
080 for now.
you can probably see a little bit if you look out your window, but you'll see airboat tracks. You'll also
November
see
52 Kilo,
little hunting,
The stands, the huts.
houses, whatever, cabins down there.
Yeah, I've seen the huts before.
There's all kinds of stuff out here. That's what's pretty cool.
November 75 Whiskey, you have traffic at your 1 o'clock, 5 miles northbound, 2,000 feet, Cessna 152.
We'll be looking for 75 Whiskey.
It should be right about on the other side of this
Like
cloud.
3, yeah, that's... You know, we haven't done plane spotting in quite a while. Just saying.
November 75 Whiskey, traffic no factor, contact approach 125.5, good day.
25.5 for 75 Whiskey. Can't do that with my left hand.
November 77 Bravo, traffic no factor.
Miami departure, King Air 3 and 3 Delta
Descending
Whiskey.
to 3,000.
Yeah, you can just basically tell
They were
them.
at 3.
Delta Whiskey, Miami departure.
Yeah, basically tell them.
Because we're basically there. Miami approach, Baron 3175 Whiskey's at 3,000.
Number 3175 Whiskey, Miami approach, maintain VFR fighting 180.
180.
180 for 75 Whiskey.
Number 3175 Whiskey, Miami Airport, 9 o'clock in 5
Field site.
miles. Contact the tower on 118.9.
Over to tower, good day for 75 Whiskey. Miami, we're 5 to the west inbound.
Tower, 6173.
Yep.
Can you send me the frequency again, please?
Miami, Baron 3175 is 5 to the west inbound.
For landing.
3175 Whiskey, 127. Yeah. Traffic off the departure and going southwest, one at 1,000 feet and climbing, another one at 1,500 feet and climbing.
I can't hear him.
Sorry, you're breaking up. Say again on that traffic?
7 Whiskey traffic at 12 o'clock. 2 Cessnas. One is at 1,500 feet, the other is at 1,300 feet. They're both right next to each other.
Looking 75 Whiskey.
They're directly ahead.
25469, the traffic off your right is a Baron, altitude 1,800 and descending.
I got
There
it.
he is. Yep.
Yep.
75 Whiskey has traffic in sight.
3170 Whiskey, runway 27 left, clear to land. One departure before you arrive is the Cessna, taking the runway now.
Is that for Sierra Whiskey or 75 Whiskey?
75 Whiskey, did you copy landing clearance?
I wasn't sure if that was for Sierra Whiskey or 75 Whiskey, I apologize. Yeah, 75 Whiskey, clear to land, 27 left. Alright, we'll go flaps approach.
November 211 Papa Tango, you can fly northeast now and join the downwind for 27
Alright,
left.
you're going down?
Proceed to join downwind for runway 27 left, 214 Papa Tango.
2447 Bravo, can you set the 75 Whiskey, extend downwind for me a little bit?
Send downwind, 75 Whiskey.
Out.
75 Whiskey, you can turn base, one more departure, is departing now.
Alright, turning base for 75 Whiskey.
Yeah.
Rather you take over landing comms anyways.
Well, this is a busy airport here. That's why I loved when I learned to fly here.
Yeah.
Because this is what you trial by fire. You learn real stuff here.
And you need to learn it quick. That's why we're going to move back to FXE. And that's where I'm going to learn. Or we'll just fly over here every day and learn.
You will certainly learn a lot flying in and out of FXE.
Literally, when he said, "Did you hear your clearance?" That's when my throat started getting tighter and tighter and tighter, and I'm like, oh, I'm getting nervous again.
No, I heard his clearance. Unfortunately...
Yeah, he's kind of I don't know if he's slurring or if he's just...
He said Sierra Whiskey, he didn't say 75
Yeah.
Whiskey.
I know we're conversing, so it's us, but...
Oh, no, trust me, I'm listening to him more, I'm listening to you, no offense.
By all means.
Tower, good morning, Coast Guard
500.
500 feet, 3 green, you're clear to land.
700 feet with request.
Going full flaps.
What's your request?
Coast Guard 6555.
Okay, say your request, Coast Guard 6555.
Got 2 Cessnas sitting there.
Yeah. They must be doing...
Number 211
They're right up.
You're finding the
Formation,
bearing,
well-
final runway 27 left, clear to land.
I think they're just doing engine
Clear to
run-ups.
land, 27 left, 211 Papa Tango.
Flight school's active today. Shocking. We'll miss Delta. Ugh.
Yeah, I'm not
Wanna
gonna...
bet?
I'm not wasting my brakes.
No. Okay, so...
Echo 3.
Here. We're gonna cross.
Here it comes. Alright. So we'll go to ground.
Okay.
And ground, we're clear 27 left at Echo 3 for Reliance.
Ground Baron 3175 Whiskey is clear 27 left for Reliance.
November 3175 Whiskey, Tammy ground taxi to Reliance via Echo, cross runway 13.
Echo cross 13 for 75 Whiskey.
Wow, good job.
I'm like, oh, I don't know what I just said.
So this is Echo, right here. That's Hotel, the next one. And then this is 13, so we're clear to cross 13. We are clear right. That guy's in a downwind, he's not a factor for us. We are clear left, and we are clear to cross. Well guys, if you like this video, as always, hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. But don't just hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell for notifications, because you may not find out about new videos just by subscribing. And when you hit that bell, there's different levels of notifications. So if you hit all, you will find out every time I post a video. And I don't do a whole lot of other posting than videos, so you won't get bombarded with notifications. And be sure to hit that thumbs up if you like the job Kim's doing as well. I think she's doing a fantastic job, and we're all very proud of her. Let her know how you think she's doing. So anyhow guys, until next time, we're headed off to go get some pizza from the Big Cheese. So stay safe and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye guys.
Miami ground at the